Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can invite friends to Line Messenger. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open the Line Messenger app on your phone. After you do so, you can click on Home, which you have on the bottom left hand corner of your screen. Then you can see the plus icon on the top. Go ahead and tap on this person and plus icon, which is right next to the gear icon or the setting icon. After that, you can see Invite. So go ahead and tap on Invite, and you can see you can invite through text messages, email, or you can even share it using other social media sites. So if you click on Share, you can see that you have a lot of social media sites over here. You can select them, or you can share your invitation through WhatsApp or Line as well. So if you choose the text message, you can see that your contact list will appear. You can go ahead and tap on the contact, and then you can send this. So go ahead and tap on Invite, click on Message, and you can send a message to this person, and then you can invite him or her to Line. This way you can become friends with them. So it's quite easy and simple. All you gotta go to is Home, click on the plus icon on the top right hand side, and click on Invite. Or else you can see Invite a Friend option. You can use the options like text message, email, and share option to invite your friends. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.